Hey everyone, my name is Emerald Simmons and I am the Career Development Advisor at Athens State. So I wanted to do a short screen capture video for you all because I'm really excited to show you guys the new pages on the myAthens portal for the Athens State Career Development Center. There's been a new page recently added, and I have added new sections with a lot of great information in them. And I just want to make everyone aware of it for our students. And you guys can check the pages periodically and see what all is on there. So right now we're looking at the Athens State, the myAthens portal homepage. Activities, these are your announcements right here. So I want you to focus on the left side up here at the top, and then we've got shortcuts, tools. Underneath tools, there is groups and then pages. So under pages, we have a new Career Development Center page. There's a Student Success page, an Information Technology Services page, Financial Aid. So right here, we're going to click on Career Development Center. And I have created 4 sections as of right now. So we have announcements and events, career development about, helpful links and resources, and internships and job opportunities. So for example, on announcements and events, here we have our little banner that I created, upcoming events. And this is where I will be posting events that have either been provided to us by outside companies or local corporations. Maybe they're hosting a career fair or anything that we're going to be facilitating or hosting, anything that the Career Development Center is going to be doing, and even just on-campus events that I become aware of. So you can check back here periodically. And, currently, like right now, we've got 2 events listed coming up on the 24th and the 26th of this month. Then under the Career Development About Me page, About Us page, it's just sort of a little brief summary of what the Career Development Center does, what we provide, helpful links and resources. This is a page that I'm continuously adding to, and I will be adding to probably just, as long as I have resources that I think are useful for students as I find them. For example, up here we have to join Handshake. So if you don't have a Handshake account, I strongly encourage creating one. It's a great way for students and alumni to apply for available positions and internships and make connections with potential employers. Also here you can see these are our social medias. So I've been trying to boost our social media and boost our engagement. I'm posting a lot of new content on our social media pages, sharing events, sharing job openings. So, please feel free to like or follow our social media pages to stay up to date on what's going on. And then also, like I said, just some resources. I'm going to be continuously adding to this page, so just check back periodically, and you may see something that's of interest to you. And lastly, I have internship and job opportunities. On this page, I will be sharing internship job opportunities that become available to us, local corporations reaching out to us. Right now, we have a great internship listed. It's set for summer of next year with an application deadline of October 12th. So this is an awesome internship with the Missile Defense Agency. I have shared it on our social media and have it on the portal. So I really just wanted to do this as a way to show you that we have some new pages on the portal. You can visit here. You can visit our social media. You can contact our office via email or phone. You can make an appointment, or you can just drop by our office if you're on campus to speak with us. But for all the students that don't necessarily get to make it on campus, or even just if you're at home and you're curious about what's going on or what kind of events we might have coming up, I just wanted everybody to know that these pages are now available on the myAthens portal. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy it.